In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get YouTube TV free trial. So the first thing you want to do is go to tv.youtube.com in your web browser, then click on try it free button and sign into your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you'll just need to create one and then choose your plan. So select the base plan or any other available plan. Currently, there's only one main plan option. Then you'll just need to add your credit card information or your debit card. You won't be charged during the trial period. Then you'll just need to confirm the trial, review the terms and conditions, and then confirm to start your free trial. Then you can explore the YouTube TV features, accessing a bunch of 100 live TV channels, and then make sure to cancel before the trial ends, because if you don't cancel your subscription, then YouTube TV will charge your credit card. If you go on to here, you can see that it says try YouTube TV for 10 days for $0. So this will be the free trial I am talking about. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe. But for now, goodbye.